What to do if your camera is taking blurry photos? Don't worry, I will teach you how to repair it. If you want to learn how to replace lens and repair blurry photos, watch this video till end. This is XSMax Dusty Camera. And there are too many dots in it, as you can see. And photo is also blurry. Let's start to repair this camera in simple steps. Remove this shield carefully. If you need to ask anything, you can comment on this video. Remove extra glue carefully. Clean focus glass gently. It's done. Let's check the camera. Perfect. If you like the video, do like. Subscribe this channel for more videos and share this video with your friends.